Hello all, this is Professor Gaurang Vyas, who is teaching CA students in Mumbai from last 31 years. My association with Lakshya Academy started just last year, and during that I have taught so many crash batches also and regular batches also. This year also we are going to conduct crash batches for accounts as well as advanced accountancy with Lakshya. Now, in these crash batches, the problem this time is, instead of me coming physically there, it is not possible because of this corona pandemic. So we are going to conduct online classes. But these online classes also will be very, very, very effective. My motto for each and every one of you is to get minimum 60 marks in the subject. That is my motto. In fact, last year I conducted crash in Kochi, in Calicut, and there were students who have scored more than 60. It was just in 6 days of coaching there. I conducted crash for 6 days there. But since this is online, we are going to conduct crash for 15 days for accounts and then another 15 days for advanced account. We have ample time to cover everything, each and every topic. Basic fundamental will be discussed. All notes will be given to you. Problems also will be solved. Homeworks also will be given. Whatever homeworks will be given, of that homework, I will be sending you solutions also in my own handwriting. See, I could have given printed solution also, but I don't believe that, because in exam, the students are supposed to write the solution. So when any examiner is checking the paper, he always looks at two things for the solution. Number one, whether your answer is correct or not. And number two, whether your answer is looking good or not. The presentation is also equally important. See, the papers are checked by human beings, and it is our human nature that something which is pleasing to eyes will always carry more marks. It will carry more attention. So if your answer is correct, as well as if the answer is presented in a very, very proper manner, you can really score good marks. See, accounts, I am using the word minimum 60 marks. That is bare minimum requirement, we say. CA Institute says 40 marks is passing. But I say no. As far as accounts is concerned, as far as advanced account is concerned, 60 marks should be passing, because we have to do that aggregate of 50% to pass through the CA exam. So this higher scored marks will help us. I have students in my past who have scored more than 85. Some students have gone up to 90 also in CA exams. Yes, let me tell you, in CA exam, scoring even 90 marks in exam is absolutely possible, and people have done that in past. Two things we have to focus: proper conceptual clarity, and number two, proper coverage of the syllabus. We will cover each and every aspect which is there in study module, and we will go through the papers of past exam also. See, this Inter-CA new syllabus, it was introduced for the first time in May 2018. That was the first Inter-CA exam of new syllabus. So May 18 was the first exam. November 2018 was the second exam. May 2019 was the third exam. November 2019 was the fourth exam. May 2020 exam was supposed to be the fifth exam, which got cancelled because of this corona pandemic. So now all these May students also have shifted to November 2020. So what happens? The quantity of the students in November 2020 has tremendously increased. And we all know, when quantity of the students has increased, the level of competition also has increased. And when level of competition has increased, we need to slightly work more. All those students who were supposed to appear for May 2020 exam also, I am appealing to them also, that since it is a God-given opportunity, we must take advantage of that. We must prepare and re-prepare ourselves so that nothing remains untouched. One more thing I have seen among the students of accountancy and advanced accounting, that they are slightly poor in accounting standard chapter. So for that accounting standard also, we have a unique way of learning it. If you have your friends who are attending my lectures in Lakshya now, you can take a reference from them. For accounting standard also, we have altogether a distinct approach. We don't touch study module language at all because it is horrible. So we believe in oversimplification of the things. So in every accounting standard, we will be learning one by one concept in the simple language and on that questions in the simple language. So a perfect package for each and every one of you. I am teaching these accounts from last 31 years. It means my teaching experience must be more than your age. So let's take the advantage of that. Let's join hands together and achieve what we want. And what we want is minimum 60 marks in accounts paper, minimum 60 marks in advanced account paper also, so that reaching that target of aggregate 50% can be easily achieved by us. The lectures are starting from 16th of August. Timing also are very nice. Evening 5 to 9. That means throughout the day, you do your theory subjects, you read them, you properly prepare them. And in the evening time, when you are anyway free, we will have lectures on 15 days for accounts and 15 days for advanced accounts. Every day 5 to 9 rigorously we will meet. So I am expecting to see most of you, and let's join hands together towards achieving your goal that I have to make you pass in this November 2020 exam with flying colors. Wish you all the best. See you on 16th August. Bye.